The Delta C1200 error in the Division games, primarily the Division 2 and the Division Resurgence, means services are not available at this time. It's a persistent server-side issue related to Ubisoft's online services, preventing access to multiplayer, Dark Zone, and even game login. The error stems from disruptions in Ubisoft Connect, formerly Uplay, the game's authentication and matchmaking service. Common causes include server overload, DDoS attacks, or maintenance. The Delta prefix signals a network problem, specifically a client-server handshake failure indicated by C1200. When you launch the game, Ubisoft Connect verifies credentials and syncs data. If servers are unreachable, this error appears instead of a generic connection error. Outdated DNS settings, firewall blocks, or issues with Ubisoft's cloud infrastructure in Microsoft Azure can also contribute. Players experience forced disconnections, inability to play co-op, or loss of progress. It requires Ubisoft intervention, unlike client-side errors. In late 2025, the error persisted for 15 to 20% of users in peak hours, and server stability has shown a decline. The error is most common on PlayStation and Xbox consoles. While Delta C1200 is mainly a server-side issue, there are some troubleshooting steps you can try. First, check Ubisoft's server status page and community forums for widespread outages. Restart your game and your internet router. Verify your internet connection is stable. Ensure Ubisoft Connect is up to date. Check your firewall settings to ensure the Division 2 and Ubisoft Connect are allowed through. While not a guaranteed fix, some users have reported temporary success using a VPN. For long-term solutions, Ubisoft is planning server upgrades and AI-driven load balancing in 2026, potentially reducing errors. However, continued issues are predicted if player base growth outpaces infrastructure. Ubisoft's focus on live service models and cross-play expansion to mobile can also introduce new error vectors. Keep an eye on official announcements from Ubisoft for updates and fixes. Expert recommendations include enabling UPnP on routers or using Ubisoft's diagnostic app. Remember to submit a support ticket to Ubisoft to help them track and resolve the issue, and to follow common community-driven support sites like the game's subreddit to check for similar issue reports.